It's Jodi, and I am coming on with something brand new. I designed this Fruits of the Spirit devotional book using this little kit from Stampin' Up! That's on the last chance list. So while that's great, there's a little bit of urgency here because this is only available while supplies last, which means this Fruit of the Spirit devotional is only available while Stampin' Up! Supplies last. So let me show you a little bit of what I did with the understanding that this is still a work in progress. I stayed up way too late last night working on it, but I couldn't wait to share it with you. And these are some of the supplies that come in the kit that I used. There's a ton left. Obviously, I haven't done all the, decorating that you might say. And I'll probably do something on the cover, but honestly, I don't even know yet. I just wanted to get this open to show you. So this, I'll just write, my name and the date and stuff, just a little bit of personal information. But then you go through and all of these, this is the gem, because the kit, you can use this for any type of little book that you want to, but this is what is going to just set this over the top and make you want to participate. So for every fruit of the Spirit, there are 9. For every fruit of the Spirit, there are some scripture verses about that particular fruit. There's often a quote from a book, and then there is a prayer. And then, see, I've got just pieces here. Major work in progress. Lots going on here. And then every once in a while, I just left some open pages that you can use just for personal journaling and reflecting. So it's just fun to go through and create this little devotional. It's great for your personal use. It makes a wonderful gift. I have done this over the years. Oh my gosh, I've probably gifted like 10 of these over the years to different people, just kind of going through a hard time or who just need a little pick me up of some kind. It's just great words of encouragement filled with scripture and prayer. And it's just a really great resource. So like I said, there's tons in here. There's open pages for journaling. You get all of these different stickers and supplies. So I haven't made this cutesy yet. I've added a few things here and there, but there's so much more I can do. So this I am offering for $25, and that includes this book, all of these supplies. It comes with some glue dots and this strip of tear and tape adhesive. So your adhesive is even included. You literally, you'll need a paper trimmer, and that's about it. So $25 includes all of your supplies. It also includes the cost to ship this to you. Now, a little bonus, the first 10 people who register for this class are going to also get this package. These are called opaque faceted gems, and these are retired. They're no longer available through Stampin' Up!, but they coordinate really, really well. And so these will be gifted, just a special little thing from me to you for the first 10 people who sign up for this Fruits of the Spirit devotional kit. All the words that you see, this will be a PDF that you are emailed, and then you'll just cut them down to fit as you want to. So there's some flexibility in that. You can, if you want more journaling space for each fruit, you can certainly modify things a little bit, but I will include some photos to kind of guide you on how to do it, but it's very open-ended, but you'll have all the resources you need with that PDF. So all your supplies, adhesive is included, the PDF with all of the words, the verses, the prayers, the quotes, all of that. The bonus for the first 10 people, it's just $25. So I'm going to put together a registration form. And like I said, it's while supplies last, because this little kit is a last chance Stampin' Up! Item. So the sooner you register, the better, because if we wait too long, these might be gone. So for that reason, I am going to say that the registration deadline is August 15th, but I would get it. If this is something you want to do, I would register as soon as possible so that I can get these ordered. So that is what I have for you today. Once I have all the extra things in it. I'll be sure to share more pictures, but I just couldn't wait to get on and share this opportunity with you. So I hope you are excited about the Fruits of the Spirit devotional kit, and just follow some links that I'll put in the description here really soon so that you can register. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.